In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Cloudflare account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your Cloudflare account removes your user profile and access. If your account is tied to active domains or services, traffic and protection features may stop working. Make sure you're signed in and absolutely ready to proceed. Start by opening the Cloudflare dashboard in your browser and signing in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile avatar or initials. Click that to open the account menu. This is where Cloudflare keeps your personal settings and account controls. From that menu, choose Profile. This takes you to your profile page where you can manage preferences, security, and account details. We're heading to the area that handles account deletion, so give the page a moment to load and then look for the Preferences or Manage Profile section. In that section, you should find a heading or panel labeled Delete Your Profile. Cloudflare sometimes organizes this within a managed profile area, so if you don't see it immediately, check the tabs or side navigation within your profile. When you're in the right spot, locate the button labeled Delete User. Clicking this will start the deletion process. At this point, Cloudflare may display a summary of what will happen when you delete your user, including the loss of access and any associated permissions. Read that carefully to confirm it's what you want. To complete the process, you'll be asked to confirm by clicking Delete User again. The second click is the final confirmation. Cloudflare may require an extra verification step like re-entering your password or a code just to ensure it's really you making the request. Follow any on-screen prompts and proceed. Once you confirm, your user profile will be deleted. If you're part of multiple accounts, your access to them will be removed. If you're the only user on an account, deletion may also impact the account itself. If Cloudflare detects active domains, subscriptions, or enterprise settings that block deletion, it will let you know what needs to be resolved before you can finalize it. In that case, address those items and return to the same. Delete your profile area to complete the process. That's it. You went to the Cloudflare dashboard, opened your profile from the top right, navigated to the profile settings, found the Delete Your Profile section, click Delete User, and confirm by clicking Delete User again. Take a moment to verify that you've received any confirmation messages and you're all set.